Okay. This is the second take on this deal because I lost the footage on cutting the first one. So, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to pull this off of here. Like that. Then I'm going to place this little doohickey in here. Actually, first of all, what I need to do is cut this down to the right width first. So what I'm going to do is take this off of here. Now I roughly have a 19-inch square, which I'm going to place on here, hopefully. Alright, now I've got that in a hole on this board with this thing for a pivot point. So I need to take this runner in there like that. Right there, and we're going to clamp this part of the table back down, and we're going to hope that this does not hit the clamp while I'm turning it. Really should put this back down some so my blade doesn't wander. Alright. That's the first cut. Now the second cut will be to cut the inside out so I have nothing but the ring left. Hopefully you guys will get to see this video, because the last one apparently I did something wrong and lost it. So I'm going to pull this back out. And we're going to move this over. Come on now, to the next hole. Like that. Make sure that's down in there. Alright, now my next cut I want to do with the grain as much as possible, so when I glue it back together it hides the glue line. So what we need here is that. Alright, now put this back on. I'm going to go for a merry-go-round ride again. Ta-da. Alright, there's the second ring. I got 2 more to go. And then I put them all together, and that should give me pretty close to 4 inches depth, so that the snow globes will sit inside without touching the back. That's the plan anyway. I'm not sure exactly. I'm assuming snow globes are approximately 4 inches in diameter, the globe. I really don't know for sure. If they are 5 inches, then I'll have to add another layer. But as it stands right now, we're going to go with this. Now what's going to happen here, so I'm going to glue this back together. I probably should have came in more over here, but that's okay. It'll still hide pretty well. This will be an inner ring anyway, so you probably won't see it. It pretty much disappears, the line. So, there we go. Now, let me see if I can upload this one so you can watch it. It's like almost 10 minutes. Okay, here we go with the second ring. Well, I guess this is the third ring, but I lost the first video, so. close. Now, I need to go to this 18-inch outside circle. And put this on there. Alrighty. Now, get this in as close as I can get here. Okay, put the plant back on here.
Knock.
Yeah.
Can I use your grabber?
Yeah, no problem. It's in the box over there. You might want to watch this, dude. It's kind of cool.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Perfect offer.
Where'd you find that camera?
I got that camera from a guy who stole my ladder. I happened to have his camera, and he stole my ladder, so I kept his camera.
Is it recording sound too?
It's recording everything right now. What's that again?
I have one just like that almost. Mine's a lot different.
That's, remember we went to
Does that take a rechargeable battery?
the cheapy store?
Does it have a rechargeable battery?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
See this? Now I take this, slide this back out. Move this over to the next hole. And try to work it so I can come straight into the grain so it hides the glue line. We start over. Actually, I need to push this back.
That's awesome. Good job. Great invention.
All right. Now clamp this down again. And back on the merry-go-round. Perfecto. Ring number 2. Or, well, actually, it's number 3. Then this is going to go on top of that one. And the other one I cut is going to go on top of that one. And then the next one I'm going to cut is going to go on top of that one. And it should give me, this should be pretty close to 2 inches right here. Yeah, 1 7/8. So I'll have pretty close to 4 inches. And then I need to contact that lady and find out how big the diameter is of her what you call it? Snow globe.